The ultimate guide to BBQ barbecue is more than just a way of cooking. It's a beloved tradition, a celebration of flavors, and a social event that brings people together. Whether you're preparing a simple cookout in your backyard, grilling at the park, or running a barbecue business, there's a whole world to explore when it comes to barbecue. Here's your ultimate guide to everything barbecue, from preparation to grilling techniques, types of barbecue, and tips for a successful barbecue experience. 1. How to prepare for barbecue. The key to a great barbecue is preparation. Whether you're cooking for a small group or a large crowd, preparation ensures everything goes smoothly. Menu planning. Decide what type of barbecue you're going to do, whether it's meat, fish, veggies, or a vegan spread. Plan your sides, sauces, and condiments accordingly. Choose the right equipment. Select your barbecue grill, charcoal, gas, or smoker, and make sure it's in good working order. Have enough fuel, tools, and accessories, like tongs, brushes, and thermometers, on hand. Marinating and seasoning. Marinate your meats and veggies ahead of time for enhanced flavor. For meats, consider spice rubs or marinades, and for veggies, olive oil, herbs, and spices work wonders. Setting up the cooking space. Whether you're in your backyard, at a park, or at a campsite, create a clean, safe cooking area. Set up your grill, arrange your ingredients, and have a cooling space for drinks and sides. 2. How to barbecue. Basic techniques. Indirect versus direct heat. Direct heat is used for quick cooking foods like steaks, burgers, and vegetables, while indirect heat, with the lid closed, is perfect for larger cuts of meat, like ribs and whole chickens. Preheating. Always preheat your grill before cooking to ensure even cooking and proper searing. Turning meat. Avoid flipping meat too often. Let it sear to develop a nice crust before flipping, and only flip once for even cooking. Resting. After grilling, let the meat rest for a few minutes before cutting into it. This helps redistribute the juices for a juicier result. 3. Barbecue meat. Beef barbecue, steak, brisket, and ribs are the classics. Slow-cooked beef brisket, often seasoned with a dry rub, is a barbecue favorite, particularly in Southern and Texan barbecue traditions. Lamb barbecue. Lamb chops or a leg of lamb are ideal for grilling. Seasoning with herbs like rosemary and garlic adds great flavor. 4. Fish barbecue. Fish can be grilled directly on the barbecue or in a foil packet to keep it moist. Popular barbecue fish include salmon, rich and flavorful. Salmon fillets or steaks grill beautifully, especially with a glaze or seasoning. Whitefish, cod, tilapia, or snapper are lighter choices. A simple lemon and herb marinade goes a long way. 5. Chicken barbecue. Chicken is one of the most versatile options for barbecue. Whether you're grilling drumsticks, breasts, or a whole bird, the key is to cook it thoroughly without drying it out. Marinating. Marinate chicken pieces for at least 2 hours, or overnight, to keep it juicy and flavorful. Spatchcocking. For quicker cooking, you can spatchcock. Remove the backbone of a whole chicken, allowing it to cook evenly and faster on the grill. 6. Vegetable barbecue. Vegetables hold up wonderfully on the grill. Try corn on the cob. Grilled corn, with or without the husk, is a barbecue classic. Bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant. These vegetables take on a smoky flavor and can be grilled directly or in a foil packet. Portobello mushrooms. These meaty mushrooms make an excellent vegan alternative to burgers and steaks. 7. Vegan barbecue. A vegan barbecue focuses on plant-based ingredients. Popular choices include grilled tofu or tempeh. Marinated tofu or tempeh is great when cooked on the grill. Veggie skewers. Combine mushrooms, onions, peppers, and other veggies for a colorful, flavorful grill. Vegan burgers. With so many plant-based burger options, vegan burgers are a great alternative to traditional meat patties. 8. Types of barbecue. There are various barbecue styles around the world, and each has its own unique flavor profile and cooking techniques. American barbecue. Regional styles such as Texas, beef brisket, Kansas City, sweet sauces, and Memphis, ribs. Argentinian barbecue, asado, focuses on grilling large cuts of meat, often on an open flame or a parrilla. Korean barbecue features grilling small cuts of beef, vegetables at the table, often served with a variety of dipping sauces. Brazilian barbecue, churrasco, a style of grilling large cuts of meat on skewers, often cooked with simple seasoning and served with sides. 9. Barbecue in the supermarket. Many supermarkets now offer ready-to-grill barbecue kits, which can be convenient for those looking for a quick solution. These kits often come with pre-marinated meats, skewers, and even vegetables. If you're looking for a quick barbecue experience, the supermarket is a great place to stock up on meats, sauces, and sides. 10. Barbecue in the garden, backyard barbecue. A backyard barbecue is one of the most popular ways to enjoy grilling. With a traditional charcoal or gas grill, you can create a festive outdoor dining experience. Here are some tips. Lighting the grill. If using charcoal, light your grill with a chimney starter for even heat distribution. Grilling station. Set up a station with all your tools and ingredients, and keep drinks and sides easily accessible. 11. Outdoor barbecue in the park. Grilling in the park is a great way to enjoy barbecue with friends and family in a public space. Most parks have barbecue pits or allow you to bring your own portable grill. Remember to check regulations. Some parks require permits or have restrictions on BBQs. Clean up. Always clean up after yourself to ensure that the space remains enjoyable for others. 12. Fresh versus frozen barbecue. Fresh barbecue. Fresh ingredients, especially meat, fish, and veggies, often yield the best flavor. They can be seasoned and marinated the day before for maximum taste. Frozen barbecue. Frozen barbecue items, like pre-marinated meats or frozen veggie burgers, are convenient, though they may lose some moisture or flavor during freezing and thawing. Always defrost items properly before grilling. 13. Barbecue in culinary and restaurants. Barbecue has found its place in fine dining as well. Many high-end restaurants now offer barbecue-style dishes, incorporating expert grilling techniques and innovative flavors. Smokers and low and slow cooking. Some restaurants use smokers to create deeply smoky flavors with slow-cooked meats. Barbecue sauce and condiments. Unique house-made sauces and rubs elevate barbecue dishes to an art form in some culinary settings. 14. Barbecue businesses and marketing. Starting a barbecue business can be both exciting and profitable. Whether you're opening a restaurant, food truck, or catering service, marketing is crucial. Social media marketing. Post mouth-watering photos and videos of your barbecue creations on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Events and competitions. Participate in barbecue competitions or local food festivals to build brand awareness. Specialty sauces and rubs. Consider selling your own branded barbecue sauces and rubs as a unique part of your business. 15. Sweet and spicy barbecue. Barbecue is often characterized by its bold flavors, and both sweet and spicy variations are popular. Sweet barbecue. This typically features sauces with ingredients like brown sugar, honey, or fruit, creating a caramelized, rich flavor. Think of Kansas City-style barbecue sauce. Spicy barbecue. Spicy barbecue features hot peppers or chili-based sauces. From tangy vinegar sauces in Carolina barbecue to fiery chili rubs, these bring the heat to the grill. 16. Enjoying barbecue around the world. Barbecue is a universal culinary tradition, and it's enjoyed in many forms worldwide. From the smoky meats of the American South to the skewered delights of Turkish kebabs, barbecue offers a truly global flavor experience. In conclusion, barbecue is a rich and diverse tradition, offering something for every palate. Whether you're cooking at home or running a barbecue business, Mastering the techniques and understanding the different styles and flavors can turn any barbecue into a memorable experience. Enjoy the process, share it with others, and savor the flavors of your barbecue creations.